Hello, friends. Welcome to the Laravel tutorial series. In this first episode, we'll learn what Laravel is, why it's so powerful, and where it is used. What is Laravel? Laravel is an open source PHP framework used for building modern web applications. It follows the MVC architecture and is designed to make development faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable. Why use Laravel? Laravel is preferred by developers because of its clean and expressive syntax. It speeds up development, provides built-in security, and has a huge community supporting it. Laravel features. Laravel includes powerful features such as routing, blade templating, database migrations, eloquent ORM, authentication, queues, jobs, and the artisan command line tool. Where Laravel is used in a wide range of applications, including business websites, e-commerce platforms, CRMs, ERPs, admin dashboards, booking systems, SaaS applications, and API development. Prerequisites. To start learning Laravel, you should know basic PHP, object-oriented concepts, HTML, CSS, and have a basic understanding of how MVC works. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching episode 1. Make sure to subscribe for more Laravel tutorials.